Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days with update you on the Nifty as well as USD and our technical outlook. In previous trading session, Nifty opened with an upward gap and remained lackluster within narrow trading range throughout the session. It has closed around 8180 with gain of 20 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a doji candlestick pattern indicating indecisiveness among the market participants regarding the immediate direction. It was the third consecutive session that index has extended its consolidation within 8220 to 8140 levels, representing absence of strength on either side. The index continued to move in an uptrend as it is continuing to form higher top higher bottom formation on the daily as well as on weekly chart, indicating sustained uptrend. At current levels, the chart pattern indicates if Nifty trade and sustains above 8220 levels, then it may witness intraday buying momentum towards 8250 and 8270 levels. From current levels, immediate intraday support zone is around 8170 levels. However, any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking towards 8140 and 8100 levels. Currently, Nifty is well placed above its 20, 50 as well as 100-day simple moving average, which are the crucial support zones. Hence, any short-term correction will remain as a buying opportunity for traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI continued to remain in positive territory and it is quoting above its reference line, indicating sustained strength, whereas the momentum indicator stochastic has turned negative from overbought zone, indicating possible consolidation or downside correction in near term. Some positive buy stock for the day are Bharti Airtel, Apollo Hospital, ITC, Engineers India, DLF, Coal India and ACC, whereas some negative buy stock for the day are Tata Communications, Sun TV and Cipla. Moving to the USD technical view, in previous trading session, USD opened on negative note. However, buying momentum around 67.40 levels pulled USD higher to close on strong note. It has closed around 67.77 with gain of 0.25%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a sizable bullish candle and it carries high volumes indicating positive bias at current levels. This buying momentum was observed around its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which is quoting around 67.50 levels. Hence, on the downside, 67.50 level will act as a crucial support zone. For the day, if USD trade and sustains above 67.80 levels, then it may witness further buying momentum towards 68 and 68.10 levels. On the downside, immediate intraday support zone is around 67.60 and major support zone is around 67.30 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory, indicating buying may continue at current levels. Thank you.